Do you struggle with biofouling on your reverse osmosis membranes? Maybe you've noticed a rise in delta pressure or encountered problems with the quality and quantity of the permeate water. Biofouling happens when too many microorganisms deposit on the membrane surface and form a biofilm. It is then difficult to penetrate to the exopolysaccharide layer to disrupt growth. Introducing RoCide MD100, a unique liquid slime control agent. Based on stabilized halogen, RoCide MD100 is highly effective in preventing biofilm by inactivating the microorganism's respiratory functions. Unlike traditional biocides that only have the capability to penetrate the top layer of biofilm, RoCide MD100 penetrates deep into the existing biofilm layer, deactivating bacteria to slowly remove it from the system and prevent further buildup. Additionally, the product can be applied without the need to shut down the system to clean. As a result, RoCide MD100 can help reduce energy costs related to pumping water by extending the intervals between cleaning, which eliminates the need to clean prior to putting the product online, and landfill waste by prolonging membrane and filter life. It can also help save on operating costs by reducing the amount of chemicals required for cleaning. RoCide MD100 is the best option for unparalleled and potent bioslime control management. Contact us to schedule an evaluation of your RO system and learn more about RoCide MD100 today.